Correct,
Okay.
sir. And when it comes to the sizes, sir, how many square meter yung starting point natin?
Typically, if we'll invest for the residential house and lot, ang aming frontage is on the 10 meters wide. Now,
Mga clients natin, gusto nila yung like 200, 300, 400. So, pwede naman yon. Pwede naman na adjacent lots para at least you have a bigger space talaga.
Correct.
Diba, sir?
I'd like to correct myself. Sa phase 5, it's 132 square meter. No?
The modal size.
Oo, yun yung typical lot cut, 132 square meter. And the price starts at around 2.4 million. All right. If ever client would avail at more than 200 square meters, so tama ka, pwede naman silang bumili ng dalawang magkatabi. Oo. But on the house construction, especially if it is not a spot cash, if it is on the staggered payment sa bangko, we advise na yung bahay ay huwag ilagay sa gitna. Unless na-transfer na muna sa kanila, paid up na sa bangko, na-transfer na sa kanila, dapat yung buyer, i-solid na niya yung i-consolidate na niya into one title.
Okay.
But cost na nila yon.
Okay.
Cost na nila. That's the only time they can put that at the center of the property. Pero kung kung medyo sinasabay natin yung pag-build ng bahay habang hinuhulugan yung amortization sa bank, we advise talaga na ang approval namin nasa isang lote lang, wag sa gitna ng dalawa. So that if in any case something happened with the finances of the owner, may mangyari, at least we can save one lot, no? At yung pwede niyang i-back out yung isa or resell niya yung isa na may bahay na, hindi niya masyado maaabala.